Everybody, this is your girl Tammy, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coming to you to talk to you about the new and improved eye makeup remover. It is an oil-free eye makeup remover. This eye makeup remover is very good for those of you who wear waterproof makeup like eyeliner, mascara, or maybe you have heavy makeup. This product is definitely for you. Also, if you have sensitive skin, sensitive eyes, or maybe you wear contact lenses, this product is fragrance free and it is also oil free. Also, it is non-comedogenic. I cannot pronounce that word for the life of me, but hopefully you know what I'm saying. Okay, get excited. It is also tested by ophthalmologists and dermatologist-tested. It is clinically tested for skin irritancy and allergies. This eye makeup remover, if you are looking for one, you will absolutely love this product. I am going to show you how the product works, okay? It has a skin conditioning emollient to effectively remove the waterproof eye makeup, and it also has purified water and a mild surfactant to remove non-waterproof makeup. Both of them together works excellent to remove eye makeup. Let's get into this, and I want to show you how this product actually works as I remove my eye makeup today. Here we go. So they tell you to shake this up. I'm shaking it up really good. Taking off my top. And you know what? Did I tell you guys that the bottle and the cap are made from post-consumer recycled material? All right, so I'm gonna take it, put some on here, and I am going to lay it on my eye and make sure the solution is all over. I'm just going like this, and I am swapping. Look at that, you guys. And I didn't tug, I didn't pull, I just put it here and removed the eye makeup. It's gone. I have a little resident, but I'm not pulling my eye. I'm actually just taking it and just going like that to get the eye makeup off. I have removed the eye makeup from both of my eyes. It works. One swipe, no tugging. Well, not one swipe. I swiped it, but I did not tug. You know, sometimes you have to get the eye makeup and the cotton ball and you're pulling your lashes. No pulling, no tugging, just a swipe, shake and swipe. And I used one cotton swab to remove the eye makeup. It's not drying at all. So go ahead, if this video was helpful to you, go ahead, click the subscribe button, and I'll have some information down at the bottom in the description box for you if you are interested in knowing more about the product that I used today. So thank you very much and have an amazing day, you guys. Bye-bye.